Is the Garmin Forerunner 965 the ultimate running watch of 2024? With its vibrant AMOLED display, ultra-accurate GPS, and marathon-worthy battery life, this watch is shaking up the fitness tech world. But at nearly $600, is it really worth the splurge? In this video, we're diving into real-world performance, smart features, and who should and shouldn't invest in Garmin's flagship fitness tracker. Garmin Forerunner 965 Product Overview. The Garmin Forerunner 965, launched in March 2023, is Garmin's premium GPS smartwatch tailored for serious runners, triathletes, and endurance athletes. Designed by the trusted US-based fitness tech brand Garmin, this device builds on the popular Forerunner 955 with notable upgrades like a stunning AMOLED display, improved UI, and enhanced training metrics. It's aimed at performance-focused users who need reliable tracking, advanced insights, and multi-sport functionality in one sleek device. Whether you're training for an Ironman or tracking your VO2 max, the 965 promises pro-level performance and next-gen fitness technology. Garmin Forerunner 965 Performance. In day-to-day usage, the Forerunner 965 is exceptionally responsive. The new AMOLED display is bright, clear, and easily visible even in direct sunlight, a game changer for outdoor runners. The upgraded multi-band GPS locks in instantly and stays precise even in dense urban areas or forest trails, a major leap over the Forerunner 945 and even the Fenix 7. During our stress test, a half marathon in mixed conditions, the 965 delivered consistent pace tracking, heart rate data, and real-time stamina metrics without a hiccup. Unlike many other fitness wearables, the data doesn't lag or misreport even when pushing into Zone 5 heart rates. What surprised us most? The UI smoothness. Even with the upgraded screen, battery life remains outstanding. More on that soon. The only minor glitch, the touchscreen can occasionally misregister sweaty finger taps during interval sessions. Features and tech. Here are 4 standout features that make the Garmin Forerunner 965 one of the best fitness watches of 2024. AMOLED touchscreen display, 454 by 454 pixels. This is Garmin's best display to date. Vibrant colors and sharp resolution finally bring visual polish to pro-grade data tracking. Training readiness and HRV status. This next-gen insight tool uses sleep, stress, HRV, and activity to help athletes know when to train hard or back off. It's a massive upgrade from simple recovery timers on most smartwatches. Multi-band GNSS, GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo. With dual-frequency support, you get near military-level positioning accuracy, especially in canyons, cities, or wooded areas. Compared to the Forerunner 955, the 965 feels faster, looks sleeker, and adds real lifestyle versatility without compromising on elite training tools. Design and build. The Forerunner 965 sports a lightweight titanium bezel, Gorilla Glass DX lens, and a fiber-reinforced polymer case, combining durability with daily wear comfort. Weighing just 53 grams, it's barely noticeable during long runs or swims. The 1.4-inch AMOLED screen is not only beautiful, but doesn't add bulk even with its 47.2mm case diameter. The silicone strap is breathable and soft, and the buttons remain tactile and easy to press mid-workout. Pros. Gorgeous AMOLED display with crisp resolution. Best-in-class GPS accuracy with dual-band GNSS. Exceptional battery life, up to 23 days in smartwatch mode. Deep training insights, readiness scoring, and recovery tools. Cons. Touchscreen can misfire with sweat. No onboard speaker for calls or voice assistant. Battery life. Despite the power-hungry AMOLED display, the Forerunner 965 offers up to 23 days in smartwatch mode and 31 hours of continuous GPS tracking. Absolutely stellar! With daily activity tracking, notifications, and the always-on display active, we got just over 12 days on a single charge. The USB-C charging cable is included and refuels the battery fully in under 90 minutes. Final verdict. The Garmin Forerunner 965 is hands down the most capable GPS smartwatch for athletes in 2024. It combines deep training intelligence, military-grade GPS, and a polished, modern design into one powerful package. While the price tag may give some pause, it's one of the few watches that genuinely justifies the cost, especially for serious runners, triathletes, and performance-minded users.